Hi, I'm Tyler with Powernail Company. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Model 445 FS Power Roller. This is a 15 gauge stapler that drives staples in lengths from 2 to 1.5 inches. It's made right here in the USA for today's floor installing professional. It's the perfect tool for installing domestic species of both pre-finished and unfinished hardwood flooring. This tool features our Flex Power Roller base. This base allows you to roll across boards as you work instead of lifting the tool before each strike. The tool also allows you to adjust from 5/8 up to 3/4 of an inch thicknesses of flooring without using shims or pads. This tool also features our XL handle, which lets the installer stand a little bit taller to alleviate back strain while working with it. It also brings the tool's center of gravity over the wheels while you're working for a smoother and more stable operation.